If your lawn is infested with surface or subsurface pests like fleas, ticks, or ants, then use Valar Plus to eliminate infestations and prevent new pests from settling in. Valar Plus is a bifenthrin-based granular insecticide labeled to kill many pests commonly known to invade lawns and gardens. When applied properly, Valar Plus protects treated areas for up to 3 months, has no odor, and is completely harmless to people, pets, and non-target animals. To get this product and more with free shipping, don't forget to check out the links in the video's description. To properly apply Valar Plus granules, you will need a spreader. For most residential applications, we recommend a push spreader for broadcast treatments or a hand spreader for smaller, localized locations. Before any application, put on your personal protective equipment or PPE. Wear a long-sleeved shirt, long pants, closed-toe shoes, and chemical-resistant gloves. Calculate the size of your treatment area to determine how much product you'll use. Depending on the pest you're treating, the labeled mix rate will range from 1.15 pounds of product applied per 1,000 square feet to 4.6 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. For a general application, you can apply 2.3 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. Make sure the grass is dry before application and load your spreader with a proper amount of Valar Plus. Evenly distribute your product throughout your treatment area. With a push spreader, broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across the area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle. Activate Valar Plus with up to ½ an inch of water directly following application. Keep off of all treated areas until dry. For a rounded pest control plan, you can make an application of Supreme IT over treated areas. Supreme IT is a liquid concentrate made with bifenthrin. Use a general application rate of 1 fluid ounce of Supreme IT over 1,000 square feet. With this, you gain total coverage of your turf grass and drive Valar Plus into the soil to control subsurface pests. Labeled pests that make contact with the product will have their nervous systems impacted and will die after several hours. This product remains active for up to 3 months under normal weather conditions and will prevent further pest activity from taking place. Spread Valar Plus to control pests on residential, public, institutional, commercial, and industrial properties. Areas of application include but are not limited to lawns, ornamental garden beds, structure foundations, fence lines, and deck perimeters. Apply Valar Plus to eliminate an active pest infestation on your property or to prevent activity before it can flare out of control. Ensure there will be no rainfall within 24 hours after application to reduce the risk of runoff. For regular seasonal prevention, it is recommended to apply Valar Plus during the fall and early spring. Valar Plus is safe and harmless to people or animals when used according to label directions. Always wear the necessary PPE when handling or applying any insecticide products. Keep out of reach of children or animals.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small, family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to help you treat your pest problem. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or stop by one of our stores and we can help you out.